Now we can take this analogy further and we can imagine the piece of land where we build house is the Linux kernel, the solid foundation where everything else stands on. It connects all the physical things, which is hardware, to what you actually use, software. Then there are other components of the house that we can think as representing different elements of a Linux operating system. The bootloader is like the main gate. It's the first step that lets you access and enter the house. Without it, nothing starts. The initialization system, like system D, is the main door that opens the house and starts everything inside. Lights, air conditioner, appliances. User space is everything inside the house that you interact with. The furniture, rooms, tools. It represents all user level programs and processes. Desktop environment like GNOME, KDE is the furnishing and decor. How things look and feel. It includes your windows, icons, menus, and user interface. The file system is like the storage units, cabinets, and shelves in your home. Everything is stored neatly and accessed as needed. Applications are the appliances and tools you actually use, like the TV, microwave, computer, air conditioner, and they help you get things done. The package manager is your delivery service or store from where you can bring in new furniture, appliances, which is softwares, remove unwanted ones, and updates existing things. Lastly, the shell is like the remote control or command interface inside the house. It lets you tell things what to do, like turning on lights. I think now you get the picture. Linux is an open source operating system. Open source means that the code is available for you to see, amend, and use as you want. Linux offers customization, gives you multiple options for each individual element that collectively makes an operating system. Now, not everyone has the time or will to choose each and every component by himself. Here comes Linux distribution or the distros into the picture. A Linux distro is a pre-packaged, ready-to-use Linux operating system built for specific purpose and for specific users in mind. It's like a pre-built house to get you started, but you can still tweak, change, or replace things in here. The most popular are general purpose distros like Ubuntu, Zorin OS, Elementary, Mint, and so on. They are for general computing for common computer users equipped with all basic functionality required for a home computer like Office Suite, music player, calendar, and so on. These are the ones that you should select if you are an absolute beginner and looking for a Windows alternative. Then there are distros like Kali Linux, Parrot OS, Black Arc Linux, that is for penetration testing and cybersecurity. Distros like Manjaro, Arch, Fedora, they are for software developers.